Hi friends, this is Devansh, and in this video I am going to tell you how you can fix this BSOD error Intel ppm.sys while starting up your system in Windows 10. So let's begin. Firstly, go and search command prompt or CMD and run it as administrator, and then type this command sfc/scan now. I will put this command in description also. Paste it here and execute it. So this will start the system scan, and this process will take some time. You can see the progress as a percentage found downside. So let's move it forward to the final point. So once 100% verification will complete, if you don't have any problem, then it will show a message like this. And if there is any issue, just try to remove that issue, and hopefully this error will get resolved. So now if you're still facing the issue, then go and type registry, and this will open the registry editor. Now type this command. I will put this command in description. This place in the description, and you have to copy this place and paste it here. Once you place it here, it will move you to this folder Intel ppm. Inside this folder, go to start, double click on it and change the value to 4 and click on OK. Once you've done it, just close this and go and restart your system. Once you restart your system, check if you're still facing the error or not. So if you are still facing the issue, then you can reset your PC. For that, just go to reset this PC and click on get started. Now there are two options. Choose one which is applicable for you. I will suggest choose this first option and click on this, and then this will reset your PC. Once your PC get reset, check error is there or not. So lastly, you can restore your PC. For that, go to settings and go to update and security. There go to recovery and then click on advanced setup and click on restart now. Once you click on restart now, this screen will appear. Click on troubleshoot and then click on advanced option. Then click on system restore. Now click on next and choose the restore point. You can have multiple restore point. Choose the latest one and click on next, and finally click on finish, and it will restore your PC. Once the restoration complete, hopefully this error will completely resolved. Please test it. So this is the method. These are all the methods which can help you to fix the error. And if you find any of this method helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and liking this video. Thank you for watching.